The following is a video demonstration on how to load your swipe records in our DX access control software. Once you load up the software, you want to click on Basic Operate. And from here you can either highlight the select number of doors, or you can hit Select All on the upper left-hand corner. For this example, I'm just going to highlight Alarm Buzzer, and then I'm going to hit Get Rec. Select OK. Now you'll see that it loaded successfully. Then you want to click on Swipe Records. And there you have your records. If you have any questions, please visit our website at securitycameraking.com. Thank you for watching.